I want to teach you how to read the future. Quick, come here and watch. Right now the time is 22:25, right? And I can also show you here, the time is 22:25 on two phones, and that's the time. And I'm going to write here a time in the future. Let's say not so far. Today is 28th of December 2025, and I'm going to predict the mathematic we're going to do here is going to give me the time in the future, which is going to be also 28 minutes of the 22nd hour, which is the 10. So at 10 o'clock, let's do something. Can you do me a favor and let me hold the phone and just put your three-digit number that you really resonate with and you like, whatever it is for you. 964. Very good. Okay, now quickly let's do a multiplication to get a bigger number, which is impossible to predict ahead of time, and multiply it by another 2 or 3-digit number, whatever you choose. Okay, 6 multiplied by 6, 3, 7. Right? Am I right? Okay, we have a number. Now press equal. And let's get that and actually add to that, to a plus, a number that you can't even see or think. So just randomly tap anywhere. Yeah, randomly. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's enough. Let's see what you got. Okay, you got some big number there. Can you read it to me?
2, 7.
7.
5, 0, 8.
0, 8.
1, 6, 0.
1, 6, 0. And then now let's press equal. Let's see what number we get. We get 2, 8. Let's see what is the numbers I wrote. 28, right? Okay, that's an 8. I kind of am not really good at writing. If you can see, it's not clean, but it's a 28. 12 for December. 12 of December. And then we have here 22 for 10 o'clock. The phone went off as predicted, and we have 28. And right now, as I say now, we're hitting the 28 minute of 22 o'clock. And this is the mind-blowing magic, a mentalism trick. You can do this with a lot of other kind of predictions. You can predict a lot of things, come up with very, very fantastic, mind-blowing magic techniques. And if you want to learn, download the MagicLator app on Google Play Store. On the App Store, it's coming soon. So let me just real quick, for those who already are member of the MagicLator and bought the MagicLator, let me teach them how you can do it. Actually, a lot of people have been asking for this feature, and you just go here, tap here, and then you are in the magic section, and this is the new feature requested by many that I just added. Now this UI is still I'm making it, so it can change, but here's how to use it. Now, before you could just put like a number ahead of time, and then you could press equal, and then that would reveal it. But now you can also choose what operations. So what is new is this section. You can say either by plus, minus, multiplication, or division. I choose the addition, which is plus. And I can say the trigger. Like, is it the first time I press plus, or the second time I press plus, or the third? You can choose any number. I will still put 1 for the first time. You can also put second. Let me actually put second. And then you can read more and all that. But for now, I just save it. Sorry. And I go back. And at this point, when you put, for example, whatever number you have put ahead of time, you just, I don't know, you put a random number and multiply it, press equal, whatever you want to do. But as soon as, like, I can even do plus 3, that gives me the result. But now watch out what happened. For the second time when I press plus, the whole keyboard is disabled, and no matter where I press, the program automatically calculated whatever number is needed to add or multiply whatever you have chosen, or divide or subtract, to the number we already have on the screen. And now if I press equal, and if you have added this mode of magic, a single equal won't work, because it's foolproof, because at this point you don't want the person to see that number. So you flip over the phone and you tell them to, you know, just randomly tap on the screen. That's usually how the mentalists or the magicians are performing this specific trick. And then when you press those buttons, it's, you know, failure proof, it's safe. So for that to unlock the screen, you have to press and hold for half a second, and then that gives you the result. So right now, here is the number 28, 12, 22, 28. That's the number we said before here. So that's why I had to do the 2 times plus. So the second time plus triggered. Now I can do it even like it should be on the first time addition. So now if I save this. So now for the second time, when I just did, what did I do? Let me just check one more time. So I said add for the first time. So, and if I go here, now I can all clear. And now I could even do 3 plus. And now the screen is in magic mode. I can tap anywhere, anything that will say, okay, if you want to get to 28, 12, 22, 20, it's 25 at the moment, but because plus 3 is going to be 28, you know? So it's the reminder. It's getting it's right now already a long video, but a better video is coming. I will work on improving even more feature. There are a lot of more features coming in. So thank you for purchasing to the Pro, and wait for the for other routines and magic tricks. Matter of fact, right now, let me just show you the last part of it. If you press and hold, you know, you have to press and hold, right? So if you're doing, there's a lot you can do with MagicLator. Let me actually delete this. There's a lot of routines. It's most powerful calculator at the moment. You can, the tool allows for everything. If you are a talented magician, you can take this and take this to next level. So if not, then just go to the tutorial section in the app and learn. For example, you can also do the emoji trick, right? I'm going to put this hard, and I can say directly on the second equal, for example, you know, show me the magic. You know, I can disable one time only, so it's a clean exit, and I can go here and I can say, hey, 1 plus 1 is equal to what? They say 2, and then you can, for example, get it out and say, no, that's wrong. Actually, the answer is love, you know, and then boom. So that's what.